Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Tarantula. We're going to serve this up in a martini glass. Go ahead and put some water and ice in there and let it sit while you're making your drink. That'll get it nice and chilled. Okay, fill up a mixing glass with ice and measure out 1.5 ounces of scotch. Here we go. And follow that up with 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. And next we're going to add 1/2 ounce of Benedictine. And, well, I guess that's it. Let's go ahead and get our strainer, and we're going to stir it up. Just going to get it nice and cold, get everything mixed together. All right, dump out your ice water and strain it in. All right, that doesn't look so scary, does it? Oh, last thing we'll do is give it a twist of lemon peel. Just drop that in there. And bottoms up.